After she publicly proposed marriage to President Uhuru Kenyatta during the launch of the BBI report, Ashura speaks on why she believes the BBI is inclusive of all Kenyans and urges everyone to read the report and make a judgment of it. Sharon Baranga with the story.
Finally, Mheshimiwa Rais, recently you went to Kisumu na nikasikia ukisema unatafuta mpango wa kando. Najua mama alikubali. Babangu Raila yuko hapa, ako tayari kuchukua mahari, na ndugu yangu hapa Deputy President akikubali atakuwa best man. Sasa na mama wa taifa tutaendelea kubuild bridges pamoja. Na sasa mtoto wa BBI atazaliwa.
It was a speech that resulted to a thunderous laughter at the Bomas of Kenya during the BBI report launch. It was unexpected and President Uhuru Kenyatta had to respond.
Masikia Kalonzo akiongea hapo ya kwamba sijui kuna marriage act. Lakini ile nilishika ni apogisho kuniambia kuna ukurasa Biblia ambaye inasema inawezekana. Nataka tukimaliza hapa utanionyesha ni chapter gani hiyo ndio niweze kusoma vizuri. Alafu tutaongea baadaye mami.
This is Ashura Michael, a human rights and gender activist. She is also a speaker at the East Africa Youth Parliament. Ashura says she has read the BBI report and urges Kenyans to do so and refrain from being directed by politicians.
Kenya citizens must stop the idea of waiting that Raila said this, we follow, Uhuru said this, we follow. No, you must take your time to read. And as you know, some politicians mislead people. So if you have not read, then you'll believe everything you see.
Though she supports the report, Ashura says there are a few areas in the report that need to be improved or amended.
For example, there's a woman who talked about Article 81. It says we need to improve so that the women do not take the deputy positions. No, even a woman can campaign for the top position and the man become the deputy. The woman can be the governor and then the man can be the deputy. So it's not just saying that the woman should take the second position.
And as one of the leaders of people living with disabilities, Ashura says the report has tackled some of the issues affecting them as a community.
It also talks about the Disability Act 2003 and the amendments. If that bill is ratified in Parliament, then we'll know the benefits will be there for the economy. And also it talks about sign language bill.
And why did she propose to the president?
The real meaning was we need to work together as leaders. So secondly, also wanted President Uhuru to see me as a young person. I'm a woman and a person with disability. If true, I want to achieve the BBI, must have inclusion of all people. I must be there also, and people with disability must be there.
Every Kenyan has the responsibility to read the BBI report and decide whether they will support the document or not. Sharon Baranga, TV 47.